we are tasked to create a real-life situation problem that involves the two basic counting principles, which are the accounting principle of addition and multiplication. So it may be two problems, one for each counting principles for the problem that can be solved by using two counting principles. So, and next we have to include one topic also. Say, I've chosen the topic permutations and combinations. So this is problem one, planning a vacation. So in addition principle of accounting, you are planning a week-long vacation and need to decide the destinations for each day. You have four cities to choose from: A, B, C, and D. Each each day you will visit one city and you can visit the same city more than once. So determine the total number of different itineraries for your week long vacation.
I will be showing you the first example for addition principle of accounting. So the number of different itineraries for a week-long vacation can be calculated by adding the possibilities for each day. So therefore, number of options for day 1 equals 4A, B, C, and D. So why A, B, C, and D? So I have to let the A for day 1, B for day 2, and C for day 3, and D for day 4. Day 4, I mean. So therefore, the number of options for day 2 is equal to 3. So nganong 3 naman lang. So at gi-exclude na ako ang day 1 since kay humana man nato ang day 1. So equals 3. So minus man. So then similarly for each subsequent day, the number of options decrease by 1. So ga-decrease siya og 1 taga-adlaw since kay ma-visit naman nato siya ang day 1. So day 2 na po, day 2 na lang. So pag abot na po day 3, 1 na lang. Hantod nga masatisfy nato ang upat ka adlaw. So therefore, total number of different itineraries is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 10.
So for multiplication property of accounting, counting one for problem one, you have to decide on the daily destinations. Now, for each day, you need to choose an activity: sightseeing, shopping, relaxing at the beach, or hiking. And each day's activity is independent of the others. To determine the total numbers of different ways, you can plan both the destinations and activities for your vacation. So you can use the multiplication property of counting.
On a vacation. So this is for multiplication and property of accounting. So this is the solution. So since the activities are independent for each day, you can multiply the number of options for each day to find the total number of combinations. So number of activity wait. So number of activity options for each day is equal to 4 for sightseeing, shopping, relaxing, relaxing at the beach, and hiking. So the total number of ways to plan both destination and activities is equal to 10. So nganong 10 man siya. So kaganiha dito sa addition principle of counting, 10 man to siya dito ang atong nakuha nga final answer. So this is for 10 itineraries times 4 activities. So naman tayo upat ka activities. So 10 times 4 is equal to 40. So this is for the multiplication principle. So therefore, there are 40 different ways to plan both the destinations and activities for a week-long vacation.
This is problem 2, designing a t-shirt in addition principle of counting. You are designing a custom t-shirts for an event and you need to choose the color and the logo for each t-shirt. There are five color options: the red, blue, green, yellow, and black. There are three logo options: logo A, logo B, and logo C. To determine the total number of different combinations of color and logo for the t-shirts, you can use the addition principle of counting.
So this is problem 2, designing a t-shirt. So let's have the solution first for addition principle of accounting. So the number of different combinations can be calculated by adding the possibilities for each element, color, and loop. So sa problem 2, for designing a t-shirt, kailangan na atong kinahanglan kay ang logo and color. Logo and color. So number of color options. So maghatag-tag number of, of color options. So we have 5 different color options. So we have red, blue, green, yellow, and black. So this time, maghatag na pud tag number of logos. Number of logo options. So equals, so maghatag ta diri og 3 logo. So ilet na to siya as logo A, logo B, and logo C. So total of different combinations. So combinations naman siya. So plus na to. So total combinations. So equals 5 ni siya for colors plus 3 for logos. So equals 8. So this is for the addition principle of accounting in problem 2.
In multiplication property of counting for problem 2, you have to choose the color and logo combinations. Now for each t-shirt, you need to decide on the size, small, medium, or large. Additionally, you need to decide whether to have a short sleeves or long sleeves. So to determine the total number of different ways you can design the t-shirts considering size and sleeve length, you can use the multiplication property of counting.
So this time, this is the solution for the multiplication principle of accounting. Of counting, I mean. So since the decisions for size and sleeve length are independent for each t-shirt, you can multiply the number of options for each element. So the number of size options. So we have three. So these are the small, medium, and large. Next, we need to find the sleeve length option. So number of sleeve length options, and we have two. So this is for this is for short sleeves, and long sleeves. Now, total number of different ways to design the t-shirts. So we have 8 colors man. So from nakuha na to dito sa addition principle of accounting. So 8 is equal to 8 for this is for colors and logo. So i-times na to siya sa size option. So times 3 and the sleeve length options times 2. So the total of this is equal to 48. So therefore, there are 48 different ways to design custom t-shirts considering the options for size and sleeve length. So this is equal
the
to,
chosen
let's
topic
simplify
is all
this
about
first.
permutations
So
and
5 factorial
combinations.
is equal to
So let's
5
have
minus
first
3 is equal to 2
definition
factorial.
for permutation.
So
So a
equals
permutation is a
5.
set
So
of
5
distinct
factorial.
objects.
So 5
Is an
times
arrangement
4
of those
times
objects
3
in a specific
times
order.
2 times
So the number
1
of
and 2
permutations of
factorials is
n
2 times
distinct
1.
objects taken
So
are at a time is
simplify.
denoted by p
So in total this
permutation
is
of
60.
nr. So this
So
is
therefore
the formula for the
there are
permutation.
60 different
So
ways
P
to arrange 3 books out of
nr
5.
so is equal to n factorial
So this is
over
equal to, let's
the n
simplify this
minus r
first. So
factorial.
5 factorial
So
is equal to 5
where
minus 3
n
is equal
is
to
the
2
product of all
factorial.
positive
So
numbers. So n
equals
is equal to
5. So 5
all
factorial. So 5
positive
times 4 times 3
integers
times 2 times 1. And 2 factorials is
to
2 times
n.
1.
So this is. So now
simplify.
I will be
So
giving
in
you
total
the
this is
examples
60.
for permutation.
So therefore
So
there are
let's
60 different ways to
answer
arrange
this
3
example.
books
So
out
suppose
of
you
5.
have 5 different
So
books and you want to arrange 3 of them on a shelf. So the question is, how many ways you can do this? So by using the formula given, we have this. So P for our n. So let's find first our n and r. So our n here is equal to 5 and r here is equal to 3. So let's put it in a formula. So 5 and 3. So equals n factorial. So Rn is equal to 5. So 5 factorial and our n is 5 factorial and minus. This is minus and 3 factorial. Find this first. So 5 factorial is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 factorial. So equals 5. So 5 factorial. So 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And 2 factorials is 2 times 1. So simplify. So in total, this is 60. So therefore,
There are 60 different ways to arrange 3 books out of 5. So, next we have combinations. So, let's have first the definition of a combination. So, a combination of a set of a distinct objects is a selection of those objects without regard to the order. So, the number of combinations of n distinct objects taken R at a time is denoted by C and R. So, this is the formula for combinations. So we have combinations of NR is equal to n factorial over R factorial times n minus R factorial. So for more about combinations, I will give you the examples. So this is the example for combination. So, suppose you have 7 different colors and you want to choose 4 of them for painting. How many different combinations of 4 colors can you choose? So, let's find first R, and our N and R. So, our N here is equal to 7 and our R here is equal to 4. So since na naman tayo N and R, so let's put this in the formula for combination. So this is combination of N, which is 7, and R, which is 4. So equals our n factorial is 7 factorial and our r is 4 factorial times our n is equal to 7 minus 4, which is our r factorial. So let's simplify. 7 factorial over 4 factorial times 3 factorial. So 3. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Next, we have 7 times 6 times 5 over 3 times 2 times 1. So, nganong wala ta nagbutang og 4 factorial paubos. So, kay ang 4 factorial, ma-cancel na ni siya sa kaning 4 factorial sa atong denominator. So, ang nabilin, 3 factorial. So, which is, the total is 35. So, therefore, there are 35 different combinations of 4 colors out of 7.